Effective article writing and marketing. Article writing is becoming increasingly valued by search engine optimizers who recognize the benefits that it brings. It is one of the best ways to increase traffic, search engine attention, and returning visitors. When your article is published on a website, a link back to your website can be included. This link is valued highly by search engines. It is a one-way link. It is one of the few links on a page, and the page has unique content on it. Because of this, many people have found that by regularly publishing articles, once a week, once a fortnight, their page rank has jumped up. This increases your search engine rank, which naturally increases your visit. It doesn't take a genius to work out that more visitors equals more revenue. This greatly benefits the author, but many people don't realize that it also is very beneficial to publishers too. Search engines like sites that are constantly updated, as it shows that the website is active and widely used, and also like sites with content as it shows they are a valuable website, and not a link farm. Similarly to the benefits authors experience, publishers find their website increases in search engine rank, and so traffic and profits. It also has the added bonus to providing something new to users, who will regularly return to your site. However, there are a few vital rules that authors should follow to make their article widely used. A badly written, unpunctuated article is not going to be looked twice at by any good webmaster. Perhaps the most important rule in article writing is to properly punctuate your article, and to check it for spelling and grammatical mistakes. This will make it more enjoyable for readers to read, and so it will be used more, and will make you, and your website, more professional. Content is obviously the most important thing in any article. So, quite obviously, you have to know what you are talking about, otherwise no one will take you or your article seriously. Remember, your article will top up what people know, not introduce them to the subject. It is therefore helpful to specialize in a couple of subjects, or in a broad area. However, remember not to assume your audience are stupid, or be bigheaded. Your article should be helpful to webmasters. To be this, give examples of what you are explaining. It makes complicated things easier to understand, splits up an article to make it readable, and can give the reader ideas on how to achieve what you have just explained. Similarly, give links to sites which may help your readers achieve what you have just explained. It makes it easier for them. The last thing you should think about is the tone your article is written in. It is much easier and pleasanter for the reader if your tone is a friendly one. Also, remember to use words that are easy to read. For example, instead of furthermore, it has been discovered that by authoring articles, writers have been advantaged due to their website being recipient to escalated search engine attention. Simply say what you mean. By writing articles, you will receive more search engine traffic. Okay, so maybe it won't be that extreme. The most important thing in your article from your point of view is what you put in the About the Author box. This is your chance to shine, and is what you have written the article for. Whatever you write, you will still receive the search engine benefits. However, you will not receive the extra traffic from readers if you do not write it correctly. It should be formal but friendly, short, and sweet. It will only be glanced at, so it has to grab the reader's attention in a short amount of time. It should follow the structure of a bit about the author, then tell the audience what you want them to do. You should promote your website, but not advertise it too much. For example, a bad information box would be visit the great website of the king of search engine optimizers, who will regularly update you with fantastic tips and priceless advice 3 times a week. He is a leader in his field and has had many years of experience with thousands of satisfied customers who describe him as the internet equivalent to Jesus. Instead, Write Joe Blogs has had many years' experience in SEO and is well known for his useful advice. Visit his website today to get great SEO tips 3 times a week. Again, this is exaggerated, but you get the idea. The final part to writing an article is marketing it. This is relatively easy to do. Submit to some article directories and include it in your newsletter, or ask another website to include it in theirs. Some websites to help you submit it are: follow these tips and you will get a great traffic boost. Write some articles and then write one on your tips that you have discovered from your own experience.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.